welcome back to my channel. It's a quick review. This is a mini space saver. It was sent to me for review, and haven't opened it up yet. I did take it out, like from the packaging from Amazon, because I got it from Amazon, and I will put the link down below if you would like to try it out. It is a mini space heater. So let me open it up. Oh, it says thank you very much on top. It has directions in a lot of languages. Well, actually, it just says hello and thank you in different languages. And this tells you the features. It says it's a dedicated structure and attractive appearance. Adopted advanced PTC ceramic heating elements so that it gets higher electrothermal conversion efficiency as well as no naked flame. Rapid heating rate, safe reliability, and blah blah blah. Adopted combination control between mechanical switch and electronic switch. So activate head shaking function by pressing the oscillating. So we shall see. It says it can shake. So we'll see. So this is how it came in the box. It's like a little robot.
Okay.
Cord is not that long, but that's the cord. Okay, it only has one switch in the back.
The batteries in it?
It doesn't take batteries.
Oh, it has to be sitting on the.
Ooh.
It can't be lifted up. So that's.
Oh, we'll sit it down.
When it tips, it's supposed to
Shut
turn
off.
off.
Oh yeah.
So there's a little button right here.
Good stuff.
Okay.
Does it heat up?
Yeah, it's a heater. Front, side, back. Got hot already? Good Lord. Yes, it did.
Yeah.
Protective net and all that other good stuff. Step 1, turn the power on the fan, blah, blah, blah. Only when the power switch on the back can rest the switches to be turned on. Okay. Press the oscillating switch on the front of the heater. It will oscillate left and right. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells like a regular heater. It's not a bad smell though. Okay, then it says press this.
Oh, there it goes. Yay.
Ooh,
wow.
I need that for my desk.
Can you have that at work?
Colder?
Does it get cold? Heck yeah, it gets cold in there.
Can you have that at work? I could. Wow. That's really good.
See how far it was.
Shoot, you can have that in the bedroom.
Yeah, I might.
Wow. That's nice.
Press the button to stop the oscillating. So I guess you can. Okay. To entirely shut down the heater, press the switch button directly.
Wow, I can feel that from back here. It feels good.
Only when the power switch on the back is on can the rest of the switches be turned on. What other switches?
This is up underneath. Is it up underneath?
No, there's a button. That's about it. But it's plain and simple. So, I can't remember the price. I think it was less than $30.
Good stuff.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's cute. So if you want one, go out and try one. It's the mini space heater. Quick heating, yes. Flame resistant. I mean, it stops it at least. Tip over, turn off, yes. Wide range, yes. And no negative fire. So, yep. So, and it doesn't have a smell to it like when you first turn a heater on. And the fan is pretty quiet. So, there you have it. The mini space heater. Bye.